Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, I showed you Arnis running on Windows in my last video. I had a couple people wanting to know how to run it on Mac. There is a way, and it's fairly simple. So, first thing we need to do is actually go to Google and just type in install Rust MacOS. Then we want to go to rustlanguage.org tools install, and all we need to do is copy this, and then in a terminal window, so we need to paste that command, and it'll ask you what you would like to do. So we want to, one, for default install location, and then it'll install it. I already have it installed. Once that's done, we need to exit terminal because terminal needs to be restarted. So we'll open it back up. Now we need to go to the Arnis GitHub page, and on code we want to copy that GitHub. So now we want to git clone and then that URL. It'll download it, and that's it. So now we need to cd into that clone, and there is, I hit the wrong one. There's all the stuff that came in it. So now that we have Rust installed, we need to do cargo run. And now it's going to build the project that is inside of that source folder. And as you can see, it's not taking that long. This is a base model M4 Mac Mini, and I mean, it's using all the processors. Anyways, once it gets to the end, it will open. And there we go. So, like the last video, all we need to do is go somewhere, and let's go Pittsburgh, and select this area, and we'll go ahead and generate in a new world. And you can see on the left here, it's actually generating, saving the world. It's done. So now we open up Minecraft. There it is. And that's it. Sorry, I'm accessing this Mac Mini through a VM, not a VM, a remote desktop. But as you can see, it worked. And that's all you have to do. Nothing super complicated about it. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.